Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from the Daddy Matt Experience channel. I'm your host, Daddy Matt, and welcome back to another video. I'm laying on my bed right now, that's why there's a headrest in the back. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be trying to do a remake of the failed fart video the other day. So hopefully I can at least do maybe some burps or maybe some farts, who knows. But I'm going to try in this video, so that's why for the later upload time today, because I wanted to wait after dinner to see if I would get gassy for you. But nonetheless, let's see if I can do a burp without having drunk anything carbonated. That was a little one. This was more of like a gulp. Oh, there we go. Some burps. It's probably harder because I'm laying down on a bed, so it's probably harder to like project. Almost like inhaled. So it's not like one straight burp, it's like almost like a the burps are real. The burps are real. So a few burps for you guys. Let's see if I can pull off a fart without shitting myself. Nothing coming out. No, I wanted to do farts, but at least I'm doing burps though. I wasn't able to do burps in the first video. I was trying to do burps and farts in the first video, but I couldn't even do both, but at least I got some burps off. You heard that? Excuse me. At least I'm doing burps. I wasn't able to do that in the first video. I was trying to do the fart video I tried to do the other day. I wasn't able to do burps or farts, but at least I'm pulling off the burps. So maybe this should be titled the burp and fart video, but you know. Oh my god, I was so close to farting. I was so close. So close. No, I don't want to force it out. I don't want to force it out, no. But at least, even if I can't fart in the video, at least I got some burps for you guys. Hopefully you can be happy with me that I gave you some burps. Oh, it came up on me. But maybe it's, I don't know. For some reason, I haven't been gassy. I've been wanting to give you the fart video. I mean, I've done fart videos in the past, but somebody in the comments wanted me to do another one. And I'm wearing, I got the shorts on. I got the shorts, maybe not the angle. This is a new angle since I'm on the bed, so I'm lying down. So hopefully you'll be the person that normally comments about the fart videos when they're gonna come out. I got the shorts on for the fashion statement, but I don't have the original angle, but I got a new angle, so hopefully you're happy. I might not have been able to give you the farts, but at least I give you the burps without drinking anything. Oh, that was a tiny one. I hate the tiny burps. Even Badlands chugs. When he chugs something, he hates how he gets like tiny burps instead of bigger burps, and I feel his pain. But nonetheless, even if I couldn't fart in this video, at least I got some burps for you. So hopefully you will be happy with me. But nonetheless, I just haven't been gassy as of late. I don't know why. Normally I am, but normally I'm very gassy off camera, which makes me mad because I'm like, I couldn't do this when I had the camera on making a video. But nonetheless, hopefully you guys aren't mad at me that I couldn't give you the farts, because I don't want to force anything out, because I don't want to shit myself. But maybe if I'm gassy some other time, I'll hopefully catch that on camera. But I know I promised the fart video today and it was going to be exquisite. But now I'm giving you a burp video. So this video is gonna be titled something like "Burping Without Drinking Anything Carbonated" or something, or the redo of the fart video, but instead you guys are getting burps. But nonetheless, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my socials that are linked in the About Me section of this channel. Also, go show some love and support to my boy Willie D and my TikTok man Inspiration Victory Title. Both of their channels are also linked in the About Me section of this channel. And when you subscribe, click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified about the videos that I upload. And yeah, sorry I couldn't give you the fart video today, with the farts. I mean, technically this is the fart video. That's what I had planned for today, doing the redo, and I'm trying to fart, but I don't want to force anything out. Because if I can't do it right now, I can't do it right now. But at least I gave you some burps. So hopefully that is a good enough substitute. But nonetheless, I'll be making a video on Friday. It's just so you guys know, I make videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I don't make videos on Tuesdays, Thursdays, or over the weekends. Just Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yeah. So this video's coming out today, and my next video will be on Friday. Friday is Valentine's Day. Maybe I'll make a funny video for Valentine's Day. I'm not sure yet. But I will have something planned for Friday. You'll see a new look about me on Friday. So hopefully that video can do very well. Until then, I'm Daddy Matt, and I will see you on Friday. Peace.